Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create bullet charts in Excel.
Bullet charts are a custom chart type that's usually used when you want to compare actual versus target or budget versus actual, things like that. We can use the bullet chart. So here we got some target values for the net profit margin for different years. And these are the actual values that were achieved for the corresponding years. So let's see how we can create a bullet chart like this where we can compare the target against the actual. So first we'll select the data like this and go to insert, and we go for column or bar chart, and we go for the first one, clustered column chart. Now we'll do the usual formatting. We'll change the chart font to Arial and size 9. And we'll do a right click, go to format chart area, remove the fill, and then the borderline. Now we will select the actual data series. One of the columns we'll select like this. Then go to format data series with a right click. And we'll change it to secondary axis like this. And the gap width, we'll make it about 400%. So it will change to this form. I'll change the colors. So I'll change the actual to a dark blue. And the target, I will change it to a gray color. So we got two axes here because we got a secondary axis. So we'll make both of these axes the same. So I'll select first the left axis, go to format axis, and I will make it minimum 0 and maximum 0.2. And I will change this also to 0 and maximum 0.2. So it's adjusted. So I'll leave it like that. Now they are the same axis. Now I will delete the right axis. So now I got my bullet chart or the actual versus target chart. So now it's very easy for me to compare the target against the actual. So this is how we create a custom chart type called bullet chart.
Thanks for watching.